Hi, I'm Aaron Presley. I'm the head of business here at Guildford Harley-Davidson, the home of Harley-Davidson in Surrey since 2008, and also home to the Hogsback chapter and Thames Valley chapter. Come with me, let's take a look around. And here we are in Guildford Harley-Davidson. As you come in, we have our parts counter here where you can speak to the guys about parts you may need or even full customization. Follow me down here, we have our service counter where you can get yourself booked into our workshop, which is of course in the back here where we can sort out servicing, customization and MOTs. And here we are in the engine room, as we like to call it, where the guys are all hard at work building dream machines for people and carrying out servicing as we speak. Through to our main showroom area, where in this downstairs area we have a great range of brand new Harley-Davidson motorcycles, along with lots of shiny bits on the wall as well. Guildford Harley-Davidson is also the home of Guildford Custom. Follow me upstairs where we'll go see some more bikes. Upstairs here in our showroom we have an amazing range of approved used Harley-Davidson motorcycles. There is a great range here to choose from. It's always worth coming down to see what we've got. Around here in the upstairs area we have one of the largest selections of genuine and licensed Harley-Davidson apparel in the UK. Come down, check it out, or check it out on shop.lind. Most important of all, we have Coffee Lounge, where the coffee is always on tap for you to relax while your bike's being serviced, or just to come down and socialise with like-minded individuals, or come down for a chat or a coffee with us. Also, don't forget, every year we put on a great suite of events. We have our famous birthday bash every March, we have our chili fiesta and all the other events in between. So be sure to keep an eye on the website, keep an eye on our socials and keep up to date with the events that we've got coming up.